Suki khubor ka Batesi TV ka umdi basnyam bat penjaslian Rupa Premium Meghalaya ka East West Group of Institution Bangalore ka khot admission nagamta ka nursing but paramedical course ka bala ithu da ka Indian Nursing Council ka by admission ka badunatam but 6% ka Jingpyntreikam pilaru ban apply da ka education loan
Kamukam College Shillong ka khot admission haki degree but diploma course ban long chef hotelier but QA ban dip khap mania fila ban call haki niki number
Ka Meghalaya ka dikaway na pedang Jilla Hakari India ka badang Suki Jingpyntreikam yu smart meter. Uabuta hermandal ubalong umintri jong ka store ka Jilla ubakmi ikatranat boarding. Ulong bakadaw ka day na marbakat tu ka niki company kibla tap ka tenda kidi kibla siya aidak yong lupa siya kiwe ki Jilla.
Smart meter is a project which is coming under RDSS also. It is mandatory for all states to implement. And we have already mentioned that we are already awarded the tender. LOI will be given very quickly, and we will take our consumers into confidence to see that there is smooth implementation of RDSS. Smart meters. Naturally, when you go for a new system or new technology, apprehension will be always there. It is not with only smart meter; it is with everywhere. All other states they have gone ahead with the implementation of smart meter. There were lots of complaints and all these things. Ultimately, those issues have been resolved, and smart meter has been implemented. We are one of the states which are still lagging behind as per the implementation of smart meters. I cannot say your exact date, though we have a implementation last date, but let us not conclude immediately.
But when
because
is that?
we are late of even finalization of our tenders and all these things because of some companies getting blacklisted in somewhere. And recently I raised this issue with the Ministry of Power in front of Honorable Union Power Minister, that we don't know when somebody casts their tender, only at the fag end of the entire system that we come to know that some of the companies are blacklisted somewhere. And he assured and he instructed immediately to CA that henceforth all the blacklisted company names will be shown in a portal especially designed for this purpose, so that when tendering process is done, we can just check through that portal that which companies are blacklisted or not.